In this video, we'll be showing you how to empty your Dyson vacuum cleaner. To remove the canister from the body of your vacuum cleaner, grab the handle and press the red tab in. This will release the canister and allow you to pull it freely from the vacuum. As you can see, it is full of debris and ready to be emptied. Emptying the canister is also very simple. You will need to locate the red tab again, and all you have to do is push it all the way down. Doing so will open up the hatch on the bottom of the canister, thus allowing all the debris to fall out. So we'll insert our canister into the trash, and we will push the red tab. Pushing so, it opens up the bottom latch, allowing for all the debris to go right into the trash can and empty out. As you can see, that little hatch did open up, and now we can just give it a few shakes to get everything out of the canister and make sure it is all empty. With the canister now fully emptied, we can close the hatch. To close the hatch, all you need to do is grab it and push it up against itself and it will lock into place. Finally, you will reattach the canister to the body of the vacuum. To do so, make sure that the red lever is against the vacuum itself. You want to lower it on to the circle, pop it in, and push it forward until it clicks. Thanks for watching.